हाय एवरीवन, हाउ यू डूइंग? एंड दिस इज सुधा हियर अगेन। आपके सामने मैं आ गई हूँ और आज मेरा जो वीडियो है इट्स कम्प्लीटली ऑन सूट्स। एज यू कैन सी आई एम वेयरिंग दिस ट्रेडिशनल सूट इन अ वेरी contemporary way, in a modern way. I have taken a trouser with it, which is quite comfortable. I am wearing my comfortable shoes with the heels, you can say, and this is the kurta. Kurta I have taken high and low. The length is 46, it's 45 and 47 from the behind. So the kurta is quite comfortable. The sleeves are embroidered like this and the neck is like this. So I have taken this odni kind of dupatta which is of similar fabric. I do prefer, like if I go for cotton suits or rayon suits, I go with the similar fabric for the dupatta because I just love to wear odnis. Odnis are such kind which you can wear in winters also, and in summers too you can clad yourself in them and you feel so comfortable, so relaxed, and they give you a different look. Normal dupatta I do carry in chiffons and georgettes, but I'm more comfortable with odnis. And अब तो वैसे भी season is such, you can flaunt such odnis in a better way. And it's so, suits are such thing that how you stitch them. So stitching plays a great part in the suits. And moreover, if you take such traditional suits, such embroideries on it, embroidery should be shown in a proper way. एंड अगर इसे मॉडर्न वे में आप स्टिच करते हैं विद द ट्राउजर्स और विद द प्लाजोज विच आर मोर कंफर्टेबल फॉर डेली यूज, इवन ट्राउजर विच आई एम वेयरिंग इज वेरी कंफर्टेबल, आई कैन सिट एंड रिलैक्स इन इट, and I think stitching actually plays a major role in it. So whenever you go for stitching, just go with your choice definitely. But आजकल तो tight salwars are very in, so you can go with salwars also, with the dhoti salwar also. उसमें भी काफ़ी comfortable रहता है. So today I have brought some of my collection, like such suits. You can also give a try to yourself with such suits, and you will be comfortable and you will love to have such collection in your wardrobe. So first suit which I am going to show is this black. The base is black and the embroidery is all hand. You can have a look. It's red and maroon combination, and a bit peach combination is also there. So you can ask for dupatta with it, you can ask for a odni with it with the similar stuff. The stuff is cotton. It's amazing summer cool cotton जो मेरे maximum stuff में आता है. So the sleeves are also like embroidered, and the option with it, अगर आप विंटर्स में लेना चाहते हैं तो आई हैव ए ब्यूटिफुल जामा शॉल विद इट. इस सूट के साथ यू कैन हैव इट, एंड द कॉम्बिनेशन इज सिमिलर. सो यू कैन हैव दिस शॉल विद इट. आई शो यू द लेंथ एंड विड्थ ऑफ दिस शॉल. इट्स 2+, 2.5 मीटर का आपको शॉल या जामा शॉल मिल जाएगा विद दिस. सी, इट विल बी ए रॉयल कॉम्बिनेशन. It will be a royal combination for you all. And this is very common and very hit between the people do love to add this combo maximum. Even my favorite is this. So the another, if you go to the peachy section, orange peachy section, I have this gajri peach with me. It's again a handwork. You can have a close look on it. The work is paisley on it. The base is the embroidery base is all paisley, and it has a broad gala and sleeves too. You can ask for odni or dupatta with it, but without dupatta also you can carry like long kurta or the trouser with it. The another option the another thing which I wanted to show you is this suit. This is the second in my this thing collections. Second suit, somewhere somebody has ordered it. We are giving organza finishings to it. So you can ask for such suits anytime to me, and I am available with the suits to you. Thank you so much, and this is the idea behind of coming in front of you. Thank you so much.